Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Razor Sharp. We are calling a hockey game from Bay City. That's right. The Bay County Civic Center. The Traverse City North Stars are taking on the Bay City Blizzard. And this should be a good hockey game. In the zone, pass out to Pomana. Pomana, shot. Pomana misses to the short side over the net. It is Saturday. It is hockey time again. And we have made the trip down to Bay City. And we do not want to disappoint as the Blizzard is wearing the blue and silver. Reminds you of the Detroit Lions colors. And of course, the Traverse City North Stars are wearing the red and white like the Detroit Red Wings. We'll have to see who comes on top in this duel. That puck will be moved up to, actually in the defensive zone, it goes to number 77. That puck is going to be cut off there by that player from the Blizzard. Moved over to Ash, number 76. This puck will go deep in the offensive zone for the Blizzard. Puck is passed forward to Blake Weaver. Blake Weaver's going to try to gather that puck up, but it was kept in the zone. And that is an offsides. This faceoff will go back into the offensive zone, and now it's out to the other side, and chasing this puck will be number 88. That is Thomas Charbonneau. This puck will be gathered up by Andrew Beatty. Andrew Beatty is going to make a hockey stop, look for his options, know when to pass to. 55 is going to push this puck up. 24 is going to skate. He's going to try to get to that puck before Lewis Dawson. That will be a stalemate there in the offensive zone for the Blizzard. And here comes Traverse City once again. Kusterman's going to put that puck up in the corner. 25, that is. Andrew Witt will get this puck and move it forward in the zone. That puck will be pushed off with the pads. Good save by number 40. That is J.P. Salagar. And Davis comes up the ice with a pass. That is Gibby Davis. And that puck will be stopped by the netminder. And who's that in net? That is Harper Moore. I do have a new nickname for Harper. And her mother gave me this nickname, so it's a real nickname that comes from the family. Harper Teeny Moore. I guess their family knows what that means, and we do now too. So Harper Teeny Moore is in net. Here comes Drew Charlin, but it looked like that was Liam Ford, who came in his zone a little bit too early. We have an offsides, and we'll head to another draw. The face-off in the neutral zone will be, that was Drew Davison. Kalen Burkholder will push that puck over in the corner. The Blizzard are going to try to get it out of their zone, but that will be cut off by Drew Davison. A little bit of battle there in the sideboards. Davison picks up the puck. He's going to get around the corner, look for a center pass right out front that goes right through the crease in one side of the blue paint and out the other end. There is no shot on goal when it comes down to it at that point. The lines are being shuffled. We've got Drew Davison along with Joel Cesina and Alec Goss on the same line today. And Coach Scott Dawson is mixing up those lines. Here is a face-off in the neutral zone. It'll go back to the defensive zone. Witt is going to pick this puck up, move it over the sideboards. Blake Weaver will control this puck, give it to Hudson Robertson. This puck will come out. Brody Sorensen's going to chase. He's got two skaters on him, but he'll get this puck up into neutral ice, center ice. This puck will just elude the sticks and go right back to center ice. Brody Sorensen will move over in the corner to get this puck. He's going to push the puck all the way around the corner to the sideboards, up the dasher to, could not see that number from here, but we'll do the best we can. Here comes Boldway. Boldway with a backhand. That will go into the corner. And Number 19 will regroup. That's Josh Pitsley. Try to move this puck up to his offensive players. Drew Charlin had that puck for a second, but it gets put back out. This puck will be put right back in the zone, but there is an offsides. With 10:32 left in the first period, it's still a 0-0 score. Both teams are working hard, but nobody has drawn blood yet. Klusterman tried to gather that puck up, came out to the point. Beatty's going to gather that puck up, gets in the way. The Blizzard getting in the way of that on defense. 71, Caden Colley coming up the ice, going to send that all the way down. Harper Moore is going to watch that go right past her, and there will be no icing. Blizzard setting up. Center and pass attempt was there, did not get out in front of the net. Here comes Andrew Speedy Beatty. Looks like he's going to get those wheels moving. Nobody will catch him. He's going to get all the way in. A shot! And he just misses as that goaltender made a great save. That's right, JP Saligar ready for that shot. Ready and able. Beatty, center and pass to Davidson. We've got an arm in the air. And the linesman's calling a penalty on somebody. We're going to find out who that is right now. Who's going to the penalty box? Looks like Calvin Kusterman is going to make his way to that resting 2-minute cell. And we'll be moving on to a face-off, shorthanded. The Blizzard's going to look to get on the attack on the shorthanded chance, or this power play for them. Shorthanded is Traverse City. Burkholder. Pitsley. Going to come down low. That puck will come down low. Back to Pitsley up top. Shots are there. Joel Cesina will clean that up. Pass up. Drew Davison going to try to catch up that puck, but it will go back in the offensive zone for the Blizzard. Out to Charbonneau, number 88. He's going to move that puck up to 70. Some of these numbers are really hard to read. Nice shot there. That actually did not become a shot on goal as they hit the defenders. Traverse City's getting in the way of shots. That puck will go out of play. Still on the power play with less than 1 minute left on the man advantage. The Blizzard is going to look to be the first ones on the board. Will it happen, though, is the question. Pass down low behind the net. Arlo Augusta just tries to get that puck out of harm's way. He will. Chasing hard is, who is that? That should be a penalty as Liam Ford was held up there as he tried to get in the zone. No penalty called though. Brody Sorensen, Augusta will chase. Sorensen will just pitchfork this puck out of the zone. It will come to center ice and a pass in the zone will go offsides. Face off, neutral ice. This puck will go back into the defensive zone for your Bay City Blizzard. Davis will move this puck up. Tried the one-touch pass. It didn't get to the mark. Good attempt, though. That's Gibby Davis. I got to think that kid was named after Kirk Gibson of the Tigers when I hear that name. Gibby. That's what we used to call him. And that is an offsides once again. This puck will be brought center ice. Moved up by number 19. That was Josh Pitsley. Here comes Drew Charlin, but he's got defense all around him. Moves to the center. He's got a shot. What a save by the blue and silver. That's right, JP Saligar just showed you what he's made of.
Good job, JP.
It's not all about size, it's about cat-like instincts. That's right. Saligar showed us that. You don't have to be huge to be a great goaltender. Just ask Jonathan Quick. One of the best ever to play the game for the Los Angeles Kings in the National Hockey League. Ash will move that puck up. That puck will be gathered by a North Star, brought back in the center. Here comes Blake Weaver over the blue line. He's got a shot. That puck will just whistle past the blocker of Saligar. This puck will be moved forward. Kept in his zone. A shot. That puck will elude the crease and not even be a shot on goal. Drew Davison working hard. Here comes a blizzard up the ice. That is Dwan. Patrick Dwan moves that puck up to number 10. That was Sean Bernard, who could not control the puck in the zone. This is a tightly contested hockey game. Kalen Burkholder. Back on D is number 88, Thomas Charbonneau. Here comes the blizzard up the ice, but good defense by Traverse City. Both teams are playing great defense in their respective zones. A shot from the point. That puck will go off of Harper Moore. She's ready and able. Here's Kusterman. Kusterman's going to turn on the Jets. Kusterman's going to get to the outside, but he's got defenders everywhere. Kept in the zone, though. Here comes the blizzard. They may have sucked up some defense there. Skating hard will be a shot. Good try. Arlo Augusta could not get that puck in the right target area. As Saligar was good with the save there. That puck will go back to neutral ice. Passed over to Drew Charlin. Not a lot of time and space going on for either one of these teams. That puck is moved up to Speedy Beatty. Beatty to the outside. Going to use those Jets. Gets to the outside. Backhands up to the point. Brought back to the middle. Charbonneau moves it over. Soper was on the doorstep and couldn't find a loose change. And we'll move on to the next faceoff. Lewis Dawson. That puck will stay in the offensive zone. Liam Ford's going to go work hard. Bring that puck back to Charlin. Pass over to Soper. Soper's going to go for a shot. That puck will be gobbled up by Saligar. That puck will be left loose in front of the net for a second. Alec Goss. Nice move by Alec Goss. He's battling. Gets checked over in the corner. Here comes the blizzard up the ice. Pass up to that player, but defenders are everywhere for Traverse City. Here comes the red and white. Who's that? That is Drew Davison. Stops, looks over his options, center and pass. Actually brings it to the point. A shot. That hit a maze of players in front and will leave the zone, but will go all the way down the ice for an icing. With 3:14 left in the first period, it is a 0-0 score still. And who's going to be the team to come out with that first goal? Here's a shot. Did not get through the defense. Once again, both teams are getting in front of pucks. There's Dwan up the ice. Back to center ice. That puck's moved over. Blake Weaver will go chase. Ooh, that deflected. That was Hudson Robertson trying to get a pass out front. Boldway couldn't get his blade on the stick, blade on the puck. Couldn't get his blade on the stick. There's a good one. Here comes Traverse City. Blake Weaver's going to have a chance to dance around, but no shot on goal because of that defense. Ethan Ash will take that puck. Ooh, nice defense by Weaver. Good play there. Who's that? That was Drew Charlin, but he could not get around the defense of Charbonneau. Both teams are playing crazy defense. Ooh, this will be a chance. Players all in. Ooh, he fanned on it. Set it out front. Burkholder will try to send it up to Boldway. Charbonneau. Pass over. Kusterman was almost in, but good defensive play by Miziak. A move by Charlin. Dipsy Daddle moves, did not work. A shot. That puck is stopped by the Blizzard. Moving up the ice. Arlo Augusta will recover here. This will go back in the zone. Andrew Speedy Beatty's going to go get this puck, but it will be an icing. With 1:35 left in the first period, it is 0-0 still. We have a pause of action here. The Blizzard leaves that puck there. Skating hard is Liam Ford. Liam Ford's going to turn the Jets on. Center pass. A chance. Oh, Soper just missed on the backhand. Soper looking for a one-timer. Not going to happen. Here comes the Blizzard up the ice. Number 9, nice move to the inside, gives it 24. Defense is there for Traverse City, though. Loose pucks. Watch out. Harper Moore had to be ready for that. We're down to 1 minute left in the first period. Can somebody score a goal in the first? That puck is left in the zone. Drew Davidson's going to skate down, get behind the net. Center pass. Shot by Pomondon. That shot was a little bit too late, and the stick got put on it by the defense. Shot from the point. Another deflections. Oh, and that puck will be swallowed up by Saligar, who gave a little forearm shiver to the Traverse City offensive player, and we're back to a face-off with 31 seconds left in the first. A shot. Actually, that was to put in the corner. Kept in the zone by Traverse City. Ooh, deflections were out front. That probably would have been played with a high stick, though. Robertson. Backhanded that back up the sideboards. Nobody was there but blue and silver. Here comes a Blizzard up the ice. Number 17 will be defended well, though. That was Lucas McParlin. Alagost to the outside. He's got a little time left. And that will end the first period with a score of 0-0. We will move to the other side. Just pause it. We are back to the second period. Traverse City is working hard, but so is the Blizzard. Here comes Traverse City in the zone. Drew Charlin looking over his options to pass out. A shot. That puck was put on net by Sasina, but didn't actually make it on net, but it was a good attempt. Another shot down low. Deflections. Ooh, there's a collision there. There goes the Blizzard down. A shot. That puck will absolutely be lasered past the right side of the net. Here comes Traverse City up the ice. Kusterman's going to just move that puck in the zone. Saligar will let that puck go past him. Here comes a Blizzard back on retreat. Kept in the zone, though. Davidson will. Davidson from behind the net. Nice hockey stop there. Good play. A little physicality going on with Bay City Schultz, number 9. That's Zachary Schultz, who put a little bit of physicality into that part. Here comes Traverse City. We'll put that puck on net, but Saligar will handle that calmly, and we'll move on to a face-off. Here comes Traverse City up the ice. A shot for Soper. And Saligar will handle that puck with the glove hand. Face-off offensive zone for Traverse City. A shot. Deflections were there. Alec Goss almost found that puck. Another shot. The defensemen are standing in the way of every shot for the Blizzard. Traverse City's getting pucks to the net, but good defense. That puck will be moved over. Back the other way goes the Blizzard. Traverse City trying to come up the ice. That will be kept in the zone for the Blizzard. Shot from way out. Skating hard is Alec Goss, but he cannot keep it out of the zone, and it will go for an offsides. 12 minutes left in the second period. It is still a 0-0 score. Both teams are playing great defense. Who's going to break through on the offensive side of the game here? Traverse City skating hard. Defense is there, though. That puck will be moved up nicely. Here comes Traverse City to the outside. That is Drew Davison. Davison, nice little hockey stop action, looking over, keeping his head up. Pass out front, a shot! Boldway almost buried that puck from a beautiful setup. Ladies and gentlemen, we're starting to see plays set up by Traverse City. Nice move over there, a shot! And Saligar is there once again. The Blizzard coming down the ice with a lot of speed, but sent out front. Good defense there. Here comes Traverse City once again. That puck will move up the ice, but stay at center ice. This could be a chance in front of the net. Good defense by Witt, though. Number 25, Andrew Witt had a good defensive play on the Traverse City offensive player there. More neutral area, come on. This is a great game from both sides. Nobody has found a way to put one home yet, but stand by, it is going to happen. And offsides, we'll go back to another draw. Here comes Speedy Beatty. Ooh, good try, but that would have been an amazing goal from his chest. There goes number 55 up the ice for the Blizzard. That is Preston Martin's going to move that puck into their offensive zone. Shot through the crease area. Traverse City looking to regroup and come back up the ice. Here comes Brady Lewis with a backhand. Andrew Speedy Beatty is going to get those wheels going. And I'm telling you, that defenseman has no idea the speed he's dealing with this kid. Around the back and front. Oh, that is as close as it comes. Soper just missed the top corner with a point-blank chance, but hockey is a game of centimeters sometimes. That's exactly what that was. Move on to another draw. A little bit of hustle bustle in the middle of the ice there in the zone. Nothing going on. Blizzard's going to pick this puck up. Moved over. 71. Caden Colley moved that puck up. Colley will get the puck back. Traverse City going to move up the ice now. Who's that? Liam Ford, I believe. Liam Ford's going to come down. Try to put a puck on net that goes to the short side and behind the net. Liam Ford's going to gather his puck up. He's got to pass over. Could not make the pass to Mr. Charlin. Mr. Charlin was ready and able, but the pass did not make it on target, and we have a stoppage of play. 8:30 left in the second period. It's still 0-0. I'll tell you, if I get to call hockey goal the next few minutes, I'm going to call it like a soccer announcer. I'm going to go crazy. Alec Goss behind the net. Alec Goss gets his wheels moving, puts it back up to the corner point. It'll stay in. Alec Goss working hard. That puck will come all the way over to the other side. The Blizzard will grab it up. Bernard, number 10, Sean Bernard will come up in the zone. Shot in front. No deflection was there. Move up the ice. Alec Goss could not catch up with that puck, or else he could have had some time and space in front of the net. Traverse City trying to get back up in the zone. Alec Goss going to grab this puck. Almost got past the defender, but a great play on the sideboards. And the line change will occur. There's Pomondon. 7:15 left in the second. Blake Weaver puts it back behind the net. Drew Davison keeping his head up, looking for plays. But good defense by the blue and silver. Lewis Dawson moves that puck forward. Charbonneau will go back on D, put it back in the center ice. Good moves there by that player from the Blizzard. Ethan Ash. Shots went to the far side. Shots are ringing out. The chances probably favor Traverse City right now, but still no goal on the board. The battle is on for that puck in the sideboards. Blizzard will grab it up, number 24, Brody Misiak. Ooh, a trip. I see no arm in the air, though. Here comes a head of steam. Blake Weaver, that looks like. This puck will be lost to center ice. 24, Misiak will move in, a shot. That puck flew past the net. Tripped was Lewis Dawson. Arms are way to the side. There will be no icing here. That's Simpson, number 22, Hunter. But a real good pinch in by Traverse City. Good play by Beatty. Two players in one area. Got to be careful with that. Make a good play, but keep everybody away from each other so you can make another play. And somehow that was an offsides. Face off, still 0-0. Two teams battling it out. McParlin. Ford will keep that puck in the offensive zone, but the Blizzard will gather it back up. Pitsley. Soper. We are in our offensive zone. A little bit of cycle going on. Kept in the offensive zone once again. Backhanded. Soper's going to go chase this puck. You're going to have to skate hard, move those legs. Shot from Augusta. Soper's going to go to the sideboards and corner and get this puck. 43 will gather this puck up. Gibby Davis. Gibby Davis will lose that puck momentarily. Pass over to Pomondon. Pomondon's going to get in the zone. Move the inside. Might have a shot on goal. Can't quite get it because two defenders converged on him. Pass out front. Deflections. Back to McParlin. McParlin's got a player ahead of him. He's going to elect to keep skating, though. He does pass it. A little bit too late. Here comes Pomondon. That is an offsides. This puck will be moved back to Burkholder. Burkholder moves that over to Goss. Goss is going to skate. Goss is going to try to skate up the sideboards. He's going to do that. There's a pass out front. There's going to be a shot. Oh, Zasina just missed that one. Cecina had another chance. Here comes number 14 up the ice. Good defensive play by Traverse City, though. And that puck will be slowed down and offsides. We're back to action. Face-off won by Drew Charlin. This puck will come back to center ice again, though. It is a duel out there. What a battle, what a competition. They are jousting for the puck in every position, every part of the ice. It's like watching a medieval game out there. There's really nothing happening that's anything close to the word one-sided. Both teams are bringing it. Shot from way out. Tyler Boyden Fisher has came in the game, by the way, about 2-3 minutes ago and has not faced a shot on goal. We thank Harper Moore for doing a good job for the time she was in. But Mighty Mouse is taking the throne. Here comes Blake Weaver. Move the inside. Got a little time and space. A shot. It's to the short side. Chasing will be Lewis Dawson. Kaylin Burkholder moves that puck up. Another pass over. Oh, this could be a chance. A shot for Boulway. Oh, and that's Seligar ready for the save. Pass down. Another chance for Beatty. Seligar's there. Rebounds. And Seligar pauses action just long enough as Beatty came together with number 9, Schultz, the physical specimen of Bay City Blizzard. Ladies and gentlemen, I do feel by districts, Traverse City is going to be a team to be reckoned with because they are playing as a team. Rebound! And that is Andrew Speedy Beatty on the doorstep. The rebound was there, and the puck was put home. Seligar is not happy with that, but Seligar's been playing an amazing game. No need to hang your head there, goaltender. It is a 1-0 hockey tilt with just under 2 minutes left in the second period. It did look like it was going to have to be an ugly goal to get a goal in this game, and Andrew Beatty has broke that 0-0 deadlock. But here comes the Blizzard up the ice. Defenders are back, but a good move. Good defensive play by Augusta, though. Augusta puts that puck up. Falling down will be Kusterman. Andrew Speedy Beatty's got the speed. He's got the ability. He's going to come around. Oh, little toe drag. What a move. That was almost highlight city, ladies and gentlemen. I have not seen Andrew Beatty pull the toe drag yet this year. That's the first time, and he pulled that with expertise. Less than 1 minute left on the clock in the second period. It is a 1-0 lead. The Blizzards trying to storm back. That would be the right word to use for that team. Soper couldn't get to the puck. Here comes some speed up the ice. He'll just be dumped in. Liam Ford is going to chase. Sends it back out to Davidson. I'm loving the cycle I'm seeing by the Traverse City North Stars. Cycles is not something you can really teach. It just has to be something the players feel. Ooh, another run. A chance for Ford. Liam Ford almost found the far side on the other side of Seligar, but to none avail. Rebound. Shot. Soper just missed that one too. Soper's going to look to create. Soper, shot out front. Here comes the Sinas on D though. And the seconds will expire. Traverse City will go into the third period with a 1-0 lead, and we'll be happy with that. This is a Razor Sharp Hockey Network, and we are loving this hockey game down in the Bay County area. The Bay City area seems to be a great hockey bed for Michigan, and we will make our way down here probably a few more times in the future and probably face this team when Districts comes or other teams like it. This is an outstanding hockey game, and one thing we are seeing, this is an outstanding game, and the one thing we are seeing today is Traverse City is making plays happen. They're not just dumping the puck and hoping the puck ends up somewhere. They're actually controlling the puck, looking for a pass, making a pass happen, and when you do that, you win hockey games. That is the next advancement of the team. That's something they've been working on. They're getting better and better, and I'm very positive. I have an optimistic outlook on what they're going to become in the future, and I think we will be a force to be reckoned with when districts hit. Let's move on to this game. We're moving into the third period. This is the third period, sponsored in part by, can anybody guess? That's right, the drumming sensation, Avery Drummer from YouTube. If you have not checked out this kid, make sure you go on YouTube and watch Avery Drummer, one of the most amazing drummers in the world today. We'll move on to the third period here. Here's a face-off. Hockey on. Alec Goss, try to get that up the sideboards. We're going to go ahead and move down to a different side of the ice. Walk with me there, cameraman. Keep calling the game. Here comes Traverse City up the ice. Charlotte's going to be in. A shot and a save. I'm calling it on the run. Man down the run. Okay, go this way. Well, get that play. And Blizzard's in. A shot. Tyler Boyd and Fisher other way. Run, run, run. Tyler Boyd and Fisher had to make that. We're coming up the ice. Come on. Get in that spot. Charlotte to move around the D. He scores! You just missed it. We didn't get there in time. You got it? Drew Charlin had a chance to get in the zone with some time and space and buried the puck. It is a 2-0 lead. We need one of the high points of the ice right now. We are back to action. Traverse City's in the zone again. A pass over. Handled by Salagar. Weaver behind the net. Shot out front. Rebounds. And Bay City's there. The Blizzard cleans out the mess, but another shot. That puck will find its way. Who is that? Blake Weaver. A little bit of puck luck there as that puck trickled. And I do mean trickle. That puck was moving 2 miles an hour when it went over the line. But we have a 3-0 lead with 13:55 left in the third. This game is being blown open all of a sudden. Do not count the Blizzard out. They've been playing well. They're going to get their offensive chances before this game's over. Boldway. Backhand pass there. Tried to send it out. Brody Sorensen will put that back on D to his counterpart. Back over to Brody Sorensen. Sorensen will move it in the zone. Did not quite make it in. The Blizzard's going to try to start taking chances now. Here come the Blizzard up the ice. Moved over to Witt. And that will be an offsides. Back to action we go. Traverse City sitting on a comfortable 3-goal lead. Move to the outside. Kusterman. Kusterman the inside shot. Salagar is there with that toe save. Kusterman again. Same type of save. Davison back out to Kusterman. Shot by Kusterman. Deflection. Davison tried to deflect that with his knee. That would have counted. Puck has moved up the sideboards. That puck will come out. Kalen Burkholder are going to regroup. Just lost that puck. There goes a fast little player. He's going to have a shot on goal. Tyler Boyd and Fisher is equal to the task. Just under 12 minutes to go in this hockey game, and Even though the game's been blown open to 3-0, it does not mean anything. There's still a lot of hockey left. Blizzard in front. TBF is there, though. Here comes, that looks like Davidson, is it? Nice hockey stop, pass over. Kusterman. Nice move to the inside, but good defense by the Blizzard. Here they come up the ice. Number 11, Aiden Weibel. Liam Ford. Andrew Speedy Beatty. How do you stop the Jets on that kid? Here he comes. Defenders don't know what they're doing. He's all the way in. A chance. A good defensive play at the last second by Charbonneau. And another goal! Soper is in front of the net with a rebound. And this game is turning into a one-sided onslaught. It was such a close hockey game, but it does not appear to be that anymore. Traverse City's coming down nice. Charlotte might get in again. Moves that over. Soper with a shot to the far side. Ethan Ash moved that puck forward. Once again, Ash is going to get to the middle. Might have a shot on goal. Yes, the shot was there, but Tyler Boyden Fisher handled it. Pass out front. Deflections. Charlin skating hard. And he's going to be slashed down. No call. Referees are going to let him play hockey. Pomondon. Deflected in front by that defenseman. And Saligar will pause action and move on to the next draw. Handled by Saligar. No. Shot was just lost by Augusta as he fell and lost his edge. The Blizzard's looking for any chance they can find. You know they're sniffing for the puck. Here comes Traverse City once again, though. Robertson. Pass up. Deflections in front. Ooh, Pomondon almost put that one home on a deflection. Augusta puts that puck back up. Kept in his zone. Shot, deflections. Pomondon was there in front of the net. Traverse City's learned how to crash the net. Another save by Saligar. Fast reflexes of Saligar. Good goaltender. And physicality starts up. We can't have that. With 9:15 left in the third period, it is still a 4-0 lead for the red and white team from the Great Up North. We have an arm in the air. Somebody's going to the penalty box. Who will that be? Traverse City's working hard. This is probably the best game Traverse City's played all year. And working hard creates penalties. I have not seen one guy on the ice from the red and white team not moving their feet. They are skating hard and creating plays. Burkholder. That shot was actually taken by the player adjacent to him, which was Weaver. Good defense by Traverse City. Burkholder's holding that line well. Puck is sent back around to Weaver. This puck will stay in the zone. Traverse City is on the power play. Pass up. Good defense, though. Oh, look out front. Drew Davison, a shot. Well, a nice pad save by Saligar. Zasina. This is a game where you've got to say to yourself, Coach Dawson definitely knew what he was doing all season because they are playing crazy defense. just making the right choices, right decisions, and moving their feet. Blizzard's going to get in the zone. Held up a little bit. Try to go in short-handed. Move around the D. That is number 24, Brody Misiak. Drew Charlin's going to be down the ice, but this will be an icing. We are once again in the face-off zone, down for the Blizzard in their offensive zone. A shot for number 25, way out. But defense is there. Brady Lewis will clean up this mess. The power play is going to expire here in about 10 seconds. Stoppage of play. Kusterman is going to get that puck in the offensive zone. Kicked up with his skate. To the inside, the big body goes. Defenders are there though. 22 tried moving that puck up the ice. That was Hunter Simpson. Here comes Simpson. Ooh, cross pass right in front of the net. Not a good idea. Worked out that time though. Brady Lewis will pitchfork that puck in the zone. Blue and silver, Pitsley. Beatty. Beatty the inside. Charlin a pass over. Soper was looking for a second goal of the game. Oh, that's got to be called. Soper just slammed that guy into the boards, and he will go to the penalty box. We've got 6:55 on the clock, and it's a 4-0 lead. Charbonneau move this puck up to his offensive players. Backhands that over to 16. Ethan Ashe will move in the zone. Good player he is. Gonna have a look. A shot on goal. Over the net. And that will be a stoppage of play. Face off, center ice. The blue and silver will pick this one up. Backhanded over. Sent back over. Once again, back over to Weibel. Weibel's going to regroup and get this puck and pass it out. Tried pass to the center. Pomondon. Great defensive play by knocking the puck down, but that would be painful. Number 9, the outside, but there's an offsides. Drew Charlin will just get this puck up and out. Power play is over. It is a 5-on-5 hockey once again. Or is it? Power play is still on. Elagos tried to make a move there. Comes Charlin. Nice little moves. Another move to the outside. Sent that puck up. That puck will come loose. Battle there. Number 22 move up the boards. He might have a shot on goal here. That puck will sky to the other side. Nice move by Soper. Pitsley. Hard work. Kept in the zone by Kalen Burkholder. Will bring it back in the zone. Shot behind the net. The flex out. A lot of galvanized rubber flying our way from behind this glass. All you people out there don't know what it's called. A hockey puck is actually galvanized rubber. A play, a chance for Weaver. Win against the grain. Saligar is there. 2 times in a row. Another shot out front. Rebounds are there again. Puck will be cleared by Ashe. This puck will go all the way down for an icing. Charbonneau. Shot, rebound. Beatty is there. That's right, Andrew Speedy Beatty is knocking on the door of a 10-goal season right now. I believe that may have put him at that number. I'll have to look at the highlights, and you might see a Andrew Speedy Beatty highlight reel coming to a theater near you. Charbonneau moves this puck over. It is now an insurmountable lead for Traverse City, as I believe we have put 5 goals on the board. 5-0. Let's go ahead and listen to the sounds of the game for the next 30 seconds. Here comes Traverse City up the ice. Perfect timing. Pass over. Good defense, though. Liam Ford tried moving that puck over. Pass up. 43. Gibby Davis couldn't get to that puck. Outstanding defense being played by Traverse City. We're looking like the teams that played us, as there's not really any... Wow, was that a goal or was that whistled? I believe we're just going to go to a face-off. Algoss will put that back up to the point. Back down to Algoss. Algoss couldn't get moving there. Pomondon. That puck will go in deep. Blue and silver will come around the corner. Good play by Alec Goss. Pinching in. Alec Goss has a shot. He went top shelf, went over the net. Good chance, though. Good idea. That puck will go off the boards. Blizzard's just trying to score 1 goal now. They don't want to be shut out. TBF is Johnny on the spot. Kept in the zone there. Zasina. Up the boards to Alec Goss. Alec Goss can gather this puck. Pass up to the center. Here comes Traverse City on another rush. The shot, but stopped with the stick there. Schultz. Omanen is absolutely hammered there. Schultz came together with him. A shot. That puck went off of the post. And that was an outstanding chance. Pomondon looks like he's a little gimpy getting up, as he's been hammered all over the ice in that shift. The seconds will tick down. Traverse City going for 1 more goal. Weaver. Weaver backhand pass out front. Rebounds are there. Davidson, another backhand out to the point. A shot. Saligar is there. 7.3 left on the clock. Traverse City trying to get 1 more goal. I do think that this was an outstanding hockey game. Today, this game was so close through 2 periods, and then Traverse City started out skating and outworking the Blizzard of Bay City, and that's the outcome you get. You get a 5-0 game. Do not hang your heads low, Blizzard. We have had games like this as well, and everybody has good ones, everybody has bad ones. But outstanding effort on the team that traveled from afar to play the Bay City Blizzard. And we'll move on to a game tomorrow against the Birmingham Liberty as we watch my favorite thing happen to handshakes. This is Razor Sharp Hockey Network saying hockey out with a 5-0 win on away ice.